Good morning, everyone. I'm Chief Analyst Ryan Fox, giving you today's daily market update. Today's date, Thursday, April 2nd, 7:30 in the morning. Let's get to Forex Factory to discuss some announcements for today. We can see early in the morning we had some inflation gauge for the Australian dollar, as well as monetary base for the yen, and even including a trade balance for the yen early in the morning. However, that came out a bit positive there, so that was a bit good for the currency. We see a 10-year bond auction. That's the most recent yen announcement that came out. And we also have construction PMI happening in about 2 hours time. That's going to be a high impact announcement for the pound. Obviously, it's a level of diffusion index. On surveyed purchasing managers in the construction industry, if the actual is greater than the forecast, this will be good for the currency, meaning the currency will benefit and will be positive. However, if it's negative, it's going to impact the currency negatively. Later on in the afternoon, we have trade balance for the United States as well as unemployment claims. And Federal Chairwoman Janet Yellen is going to be speaking at about 1:40 GMT time. We can click on the latest release to find out what exactly she's going to be making as far as her biennial Federal Reserve System conference in Washington, D.C. Click on the latest release here, and that will bring up everything you need to know about that specific announcement. And not only that, it looks like it's a New Zealand bank holiday once it reaches after 9 o'clock in the morning there on their end of the planet. We take a look at currency rates on the quote list. We can see biggest gains and losers today. Biggest losers are Aussie New Zealand dollar, Brent crude, and also appears to be pound New Zealand, dollar franc, and dollar Singaporean dollar. Biggest gains: New Zealand USD, Euro AUSD, Euro USD, Euro JPY, Franc Yen, Euro Pound, and Euro Canadian. Looking at the charts very briefly, we can get a good sense of the market update from just even a chart perspective. If we take a look at perhaps the Dow Jones and how it finished yesterday, you could see overall, though, it was negative, and it's been negative for the past 2 days. However, it looks like we reached a key support line here. It looks like 17,580. I would trust that that's going to be our major area of support. And if we take a look at assets like oil, as far as yesterday is concerned, went up a little bit. It's at 49.6 in the top of the hour, bottom of the hour, excuse me. And for the pound dollar, we saw a big shoot yesterday coming upstairs, as well as the Euro USD. It appears that some weak announcements on the dollar caused some volatility to occur there. And we see also gold price shoot up above 1200 to 1204.85. That's today's daily market update. I'm Chief Analyst Ryan Fox, giving you the latest and greatest at OptionsXO here in the UK. Have a great day and happy trading.